Custom modules in CRM systems are a means to tailor the CRM platform to an organization's unique business processes and data management needs. Salesmate now allows you to create custom module to suffice your business requirements. Please take a note, custom module is available on business and above plans. To create your first custom module, navigate to Profile icon and select Setup. Go the Module section and select Add New Module option. When you are creating the custom module for the very first time, a warning pop-up would appear to confirm the module creation. Once confirmed, click on Submit. You'll now be redirected to the screen where you need to add the singular name for your custom module. As you add the singular name, the plural name, and the internal name will get auto-added. You can change these details if required. Please take note that internal name is used for API purposes and cannot be changed once created. Choose the icon to represent your custom module. Next, moving to creating the primary field. Select the field type to be text or numeric. Enter a label for the field. Enter internal name for API integrations and add the help text to provide additional information to help your teammates to understand the purpose of the field. The primary field would by default appear in the quick creation form, global search, and would be a required field. Here, tick Allow Duplicate Values only to make sure only the unique values are getting added to the field. Once done, save all the details and your first custom module is now created.